Zeke, you're getting out of jail because you had good behavior for the past 3 years.
Yay.
Strong winds and lots of snow are coming. Do I have to come?
No, but Jesse is coming with me.
Ugh, okay.
Dad, it's getting really bad out. I'm gonna pull over. Can we just walk home? No, I'm not gonna drive if I can't see.
I wonder what's taking them so long to get home.
Dad, there's a person. Open the door. Oh, ew. Are you okay? What's your name? Get all the snow off of him. Dad? What? Is that?
It's getting late. I should go look for them.
Get it? It's Kate. Oh my gosh, Kate.
What are you doing?
Building a bridge?
Do you want some help?
No.
You should probably put this right here.
Thank you. It's finished now. You did it! Dear Zeke, if this is really the first letter you've ever received, I guess I'm glad it's from me. Thank you for helping with Mother's project. The bridge looks a lot stronger than it did, and the cables are holding well. I hope your room is okay and that your new job isn't too hard on your leg. If you're surprised to get this letter, I'm even more surprised I'm writing it.
Mother's death was something I didn't think I could ever get over. In a lot of ways, I never will. But hating you is making me sick, and it won't bring her back. I just want you to know that I forgive you for what you did, and this is probably the hardest thing I ever had to do. I just hope that because of it, we're both better people. And I hope that someday, like Jesse told me, you could get to the desert and rope your wild horses. If you do, write and let us know. Kate.
I'm going to choir! Wait, that's not right. I'm going to choir practice. Wait. Stop crying. Ew, that's so creepy. Wait. Dad, it's getting really bad out.
I'm gonna pull over.
Can we just walk home?
No, I'm not.
Oh my god, my hair.
I can't look at yourself. You can look at the hallway. Yeah. Okay.
No bellies! Just
Okay,
whatever.
you can look at Google Maps. I'm gonna start over.
She's using pizza.
Actually, what are you laughing at?
Dad, it's getting really bad out.
How?
Can I leave my hair down?
Uh-uh.
No!
man.
Jesse, you need a haircut.
Can you say that? Jesse, go get a haircut.
Jesse, you need a haircut.
No, I don't. It's so short.
Jesse, you need a haircut.
No.
Dad, wait, Dad, do you see that? There's a body. Wait, no, I can't. Open the door. Wait, oh my God.
Open the door!
Open the door. Pretend like I'm driving. We're not driving though. Well, hold the wheel and just be like.
You gonna stop it?
How are you gonna move if the thing is that tiny?
Oh, no.
I just
Oh,
Should I like flip my